Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Stata. First, you will need to download the Stata installer. You can usually find this on the official Stata website or through your academic institution's portal. Before downloading, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, especially regarding your operating system and available RAM. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided on your screen to complete the initial setup. After installation, the next crucial step is activating your Stata license. You should have received an 18-digit alphanumeric license key, often via email or from your institution. When you launch Stata for the very first time, you will be prompted to enter this key. Carefully input the code into the designated fields. To confirm successful activation, navigate to the Help menu and select About Stata, where your license details should be clearly displayed. Now that Stata is installed and activated, let's personalize your experience. You can adjust several default settings to suit your workflow, such as setting a preferred working directory and allocating sufficient memory for large datasets. Head to the Edit menu, then Preferences, to customize display options like font size and color schemes. Additionally, consider installing community-contributed commands, which significantly expand Stata's capabilities. These can be found and installed using the SSC install command. With Stata ready, it's time to load some data. You can import various file types. For example, use the use command for existing Stata datasets or import Excel for spreadsheet files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Stata interface, paying attention to the command window, results window, and variables pane. Once your data is loaded, a great first step is to run basic descriptive statistics using commands like summarize or tabulate to get a quick overview of your dataset's characteristics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.